Hello friends, welcome to Devil's World Recipes. Today, we bring you a very simple and delicious dessert. We're going to prepare a Torta de Santiago, which is a Spanish almond cake. This cake has its roots back in medieval Spain, specifically around Galicia. And even though the origins are unclear, it dates back to around 1577. And it was known as the Torta Real, or royal cake, and it was served in the University of Santiago de Compostela. In medieval times, the pilgrims used to go through the Camino de Santiago, which goes from the northeast to the northwest of Spain, ending in Santiago de Compostela. And you can find this cake along this route. Now, in 1934, Casa Mora starts decorating the cake with the St. James cross, and it's delicious. Also, it's gluten-free, so it's perfect for friends that have the celiac disease that are gluten intolerant. I'm going to show you how to make it, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need are 5 eggs, 10.5 ounces of almond flour, 10.5 ounces of sugar, the zest of 1 lemon, butter for our mold, and confectioner's sugar to decorate. To start preparing our Torta de Santiago, I cracked my 5 eggs in a bowl. I'm going to add my sugar, and we're going to zest our lemon. In this case, we're not going to use the juice, just the zest. And once we finish zesting, we're going to start mixing. I'm using my hand mixer, but you can use a stand mixer as well, or a whisk. We're going to incorporate everything until it's a light pale jello. Now we're going to start adding our almond flour. I'm going to use a spatula for this, as we want to incorporate evenly. I'm just going to add half of the almond flour and start combining. Once it incorporates well, we're going to add the second half. Some people, and it's optional, you can add just a little bit of cinnamon or even some vanilla. I'm just going to keep it classic. And now our batter is ready. It should have this consistency. Now to prepare our cooking mold, I have this 12-inch pan, and I'm just going to cover it with butter. That's going to help for our almond cake not to stick. And now it's time to pour our batter in. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to tap a few times to get rid of the bubbles. And then we're going to go into the oven for 35 to 40 minutes until the cake is ready. You'll know it's ready when you put a toothpick in and it comes out clean. Our Torta de Santiago, or Spanish almond cake, is in the oven. So while it's baking, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any recipe you would like to see in our channel. And don't forget to give us a like at the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's finish our cake. After 35 or 40 minutes, our cake is ready. I tested it with a toothpick. Now we're going to put it on a rack and we're going to let it cool down for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to remove the mold and we're going to start decorating. Look at that. The classic way to decorate is using the St. James cross or Santiago cross. I'm going to leave a template in the link. And then, using a colander, we're going to use confectioner's sugar all over our cake. Now we remove our cross template. And look how beautiful. Our Torta de Santiago or Spanish almond cake is ready. And let me tell you, it looks great. Let's try it. Wow, so soft and moist. Remember, because we're using almonds instead of flour, almonds retain more moisture, so that lemony taste in the batter, it is a fantastic texture. You should give this recipe a try. Very simple, and we'll see you next time.